Have you ever wanted to remove a mistake from a video you've already uploaded to YouTube without losing views and comments? In this video, you'll learn how to trim the beginning and or middle of an already published video on YouTube using YouTube's online video editor, and you don't even have to re-upload it. Click on the Content tab in YouTube Studio, hover over the video that you wish to edit, and click the pencil icon that says Details. Click Editor. At the top you got Trim, so you can add a trim, add a blur, add audio, add end screens, add info cards, and add ad breaks. If you hover over the three dots that says Options, you got Revert to Original, and you got Keyboard Shortcuts. So if you click on the eye, you've got all these keyboard shortcuts which speed up the editing of your video. You've also got Undo, Redo, and you can also expand the timeline here. So if you want to trim the beginning or end of your video, hover over the plus sign that says Add Trim, click on it. A blue box will form around your video. Keep in mind this feature is only available for videos that are shorter than 6 hours. Let me know in the comments below what's one mistake you've discovered on your video after it was uploaded to YouTube. To trim the beginning, just move the blue line to the right. If you want to trim the end, move the blue line to the left. You can also play the video. When you're happy with the edit, click Preview. If you hover over the three dots, it says Options, you can revert back to the original. When you're happy with the edits, you can just click Save. It says the original version of your video is stored when you save, so you can undo your edits. It might take a few hours for your changes to apply during that time. Viewers will see the current version of the video. You won't be able to make other changes to the video. While you wait, you can leave the site. So I'm going to click Save. If you made a mistake, you can just click Cancel. Then you can just click Undo, or you can click the three dots and go Revert to the Original. Click Revert to the Original. It says all elements and edits will be removed from your video. This change cannot be undone. It says video is being processed. Please check back later. Keep in mind that if your published video has over 100,000 views, you may not be able to save the changes to it unless you're a member of the YouTube Partner Program. So just make changes to those videos that are under 100,000 views. Perhaps you made a mistake in the middle of your video, or you made multiple mistakes throughout your video. Here's how to remove a section or multiple sections. Next to Trim, click on the plus sign that says Add Trim. A blue box will form around your video. Move the playhead to the beginning of the section that you want to remove. You can also expand the timeline by moving the slider to the right. For example, I've got a big pause here, so I'm going to move the playhead to the beginning of it. Click Split, and take the blue line and then move it to the end of that section. If you hover over the X, it says Undo Split, so you can undo it. You can also click Undo or Redo here. If there's another section you want to remove, expand the timeline, move the playhead to the start of that particular section, click Split again, move the blue line to the right to the end of the section, click Preview to preview the section. So I can just move the playhead right before that particular section, and I can play the video. So that means you can preview it in the preview mode. You can also go to a specific section of your video by just putting in the time in the box. I want to undo my last section, so I'm going to click Undo. Click Undo again, and it removes that particular section that was there. Click Preview to confirm your edits. Click Save to save your changes. It says the original version of your video is stored when you save, so you can undo your edits. It might take a few hours for your changes to apply, but during that time, viewers can see the current version of the video. You won't be able to make other changes to the video. While you wait, you can leave the site. So I'm going to click Save. It says video is being processed. Please check back later. Now if I go back to my Content tab, I can see that my video is still processing. Saving the edits for your video won't affect the video URL, comments, or view count for that particular video. They all remain the same. It's a great way to remove the boring parts of your video, so you increase the watch time by keeping viewers engaged throughout your video. You can do this for any of the videos you've already published on your YouTube channel. Hey Herman, does a YouTube video editor allow you to add images or create a slideshow on YouTube? Unfortunately not, but watch this video on the screen right now to discover how to create a slideshow with pictures and music using a free online video editor.